Namo Avalokiteshvaraya. We invoke your name in order to practice listening with all our attention and open-heartedness. We will sit and listen without prejudice. We will sit and listen without judging or reacting. We will sit and listen in order to understand. We will sit and listen so attentively to hear what's being said and what's being